Yeah, hello viewers. My name is Moses Temzakwe. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can open a Royal Q account. So I'll be showing you this video how you can open a Royal Q account. So once you click on the Royal Q Bot link, so you wait till the page load. So you can open a Royal Q Bot on Royal Q website. And if you don't want to open that, you can just go to Google Play Store. So you can go to Google Play Store to download a Royal Q. So if you are using an Android, for Android user, just type Royal Q search. You wait to load. Still loading. I think I have a poor network, so let's wait till load. Yeah, so this is it. So this is the Royal Q app. You click on it and you install. So I already installed a Royal Q on my phone, so that's why I have an open button. So you just click on install. You install the Royal Q. So once you install it, so if you are an Android user, you go to Play Store, but if you are an iPhone user, you go to Apple Store. So you download the Royal Q. So once you download the Royal Q, you open it on your app. So if you are opening it on your app, so this is how it looks like when you open it on your mobile phone. So this is how it looks like. You click on register. So you drop all the infos, and if you are opening it on a web browser, so this is how it looks like if you want to open it on a web browser. So for new users, you choose your location. So currently if you're in United States, you click on United States. So currently I'm in Nigeria, so I'm gonna click on Nigeria, confirm. So you type in your email address. So I'm gonna put my email address here. So you set a strong password. So I'm gonna set my password. So once you type in your password, you click on send. So I need to highlight it so you could see. You click on send here. So once you click on send, so the verification code is sent to your Gmail. So you go back and check your Gmail address. So you should see a verification code. You click on it. So I've received my own verification code. Still loading. Yeah, this is it. So you just copy the code. Now you go back to the Royal Q app. You paste the code. Now here you need to type in. You need to be careful here, because here you're going to enter the invitation code, which is my referral code. So as I refer you, you need to type in my referral code. So my referral code is here in the link I sent, which is QX7EM. So you copy, make sure the referral code is correct. QXM7EM, capital letter. So it's all capital letter. So you paste it there. So once you paste the referral code, make sure it's correct. Now you click on register. Now you need to make a few verification, a puzzle verification. So you drag it to the main center. So good, you are all done. So now we need to log in into our Royal Q account. So you type in your password here. So once you type in your password with your Gmail address, then you click on login and you do the verification the second time. Login. Wow, so that's it. You could see. So I think there's a new upgrade in Royal Q. I think few months ago, if you want to activate your Royal Q bot, you activate it with $100, 100 USDT. But now there is a few upgrade which has been made, so and it will be effective. And this upgrade will be effective starting from September 9, 2021. So starting from tomorrow. So if you can activate your Royal Q bot today, it will be very good because you'll be activating it with 100 USDT. But starting from tomorrow, the fee will be upgraded to 120 USDT, 120 USDT. So that's it. So once you log in, so this is the full details you could read once you open your own account. So this is how to set up and open a Royal Q account. So I think you find this video helpful. So if you find this video helpful, I would like you to click on the like button, like this video, tap the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tap the notification button to get a notification each time I upload a new video. Thank you.